the LTE, available with 2 or 4 simultaneous fabric feeds. For the LTE, we start with a diagram that will clearly illustrate to you at a glance all the advantages of this system. What is accomplished by conventional methods in 4 or 5 operations is carried out by the LTE in a single operation. And now let's go further in detail. The cutting shape is slid in and the machine is set by a proper pre-stored code. All the data are selected by the onboard computer and the machine is already on, supervised by only one operator who is responsible for the entire cutting process. The LTE requires about 20% of the space needed by conventional methods with the corresponding production. The fabric, as it comes from finishing, in other words the pounds, is turned into garments that are accurately cut, counted and stacked, ready to be sewn, namely the dozens. This is the famous BRB bridge. Let's see the operational details. Fully automatic and exceptionally precise quarter turning. Fabric alignment by means of a pair of photo eyes for each individual tubular, with possibilities of alignment in an automatic mode in the center or at the side. The count of the garments and the production data control by means of an onboard printer simplify the production management. The cut garments are stacked in automatic mode, and once the program number is reached, the bundle is ejected on the proper conveyor. At this point, the operator takes action in order to remove the bundle to be sent to the sewing department, while the LTE continues to make the next bundle. Whenever the quarter turning is not required, like for example in the case of briefs, the LTE maintains, by means of spreaders adjusting in a continuous mode, the nominal width of the fabric. Thanks to the feeding double drive feature, the fabric is aligned in absence of tensions. It is being relaxed in a way that at the time of cutting, it is at the nominal width post-relaxation. This will guarantee an absolute and consistent cutting quality that only the BRB automatic cutting room can ensure. The preparation of the cutting shapes consists of transferring the production patterns on the special squared carbon paper. This is to shape the blades as per the pattern and transfer the marker on the shape holder. The marking that we've seen in manual mode can be carried out in automatic mode also by means of a dedicated plotter managed by a CAD/CARN system. This system also allows the patterns filing, the size grading, and the best fabric utilization. The pattern is easily marked and the blade is glued by means of a pneumatic gun and an epoxy resin. Drying of the epoxy is then carried out by means of an infrared polymerizer. The cutting shape is then ready for production. Facts speak for themselves, and here are the advantages of our systems. Fabric waste reduction from 5 to 10% or more. Top productivity, 8,220 briefs per hour, more than a t-shirt per second. Cost reduction from 65 to 80%. Only one unskilled operator.